Two health insurance giants, one pressing question: who truly takes care of you? On one side, Anthem, a powerhouse with reach across the nation, and on the other, Aetna, known for innovation and broad coverage. Let's put aside the marketing talk and focus on what really matters. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer stands above the rest. The winner may just surprise you. First up, here's the game plan. I'm breaking things down across 5 big categories: price and value, network size, plan flexibility, wellness and digital tools, and oh yeah, customer satisfaction. We've got a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. Let's talk about price and value, because who isn't watching their wallet these days? Anthem usually brings you a broad network and lots of plan options, which ideally should mean better deals. But here's the catch: sometimes, depending on where you live, those plans are actually a little pricier. Now, Aetna, they get people hyped with lower premiums and pretty sweet discounts, especially if you're getting insurance through work. Out-of-network costs can sting, but overall, Aetna tends to give you more bang for your buck here. So yeah, for price and value, Aetna comes out on top. Alright, next stop, network size. And wow, Anthem doesn't mess around. It's basically everywhere, making it super easy to find a doctor almost no matter where you are in the country. The only weird spot might be some rural gaps, but otherwise their coverage is massive. On the flip side, Aetna holds up with a strong national network too, but sometimes their plans are a little more region-locked, like, oh sorry, not available in this zip code. So if you want sheer reach, Anthem walks away with the win. Plan flexibility, this is a hot one. Anthem does have a ton of choices, especially through work or healthcare. Gov. The one hiccup: changing plans mid-year can be a pain, so you're a bit stuck once you choose. Now, Aetna is actually pretty impressive here. Lots of Medicare Advantage, individual and family plans to pick from, plus some plans even cover you when you're abroad. That's not super common. Not every plan is in every state, but still, Aetna's flexibility is tough to beat. Obvious win for Aetna. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both Anthem and Aetna go way back? Like ancient history in the insurance world, Aetna actually started in 1853. That's over 170 years in the business, which is a little wild if you think about it. Let's shift gears to wellness and digital tools. Both of these companies are seriously stepping up their tech game. Anthem gives you robust coaching, health management online, and telehealth. It's all pretty slick. However, the app experience honestly can be hit or miss depending on where you're logging in. Aetna isn't lagging. They've got a killer mobile app, a super clean portal, and they toss in a bunch of preventive care and wellness extras. Now, some stuff only kicks in if your employer signs off, which can be annoying, but honestly, both insurers are neck and neck with their digital goodies. So this one's a tie. Last but definitely not least, customer satisfaction. Anthem's made big improvements lately, like you'll actually find people say nice things in reviews now. If you get the right plan, concierge support is there too. But some folks still complain about billing delays and paperwork. Aetna, meanwhile, is kind of crushing it in the satisfaction department. Claims get handled fast, they have fewer formal complaints, and overall it just feels smoother. There is some confusion about what's covered because their rules can be wild, but still, Aetna is our winner here. So, side by side, these two look like real contenders. Anthem totally dominates with network size and national reach. Aetna pulls ahead on affordability, flexibility, and customer vibes, and for digital tools and wellness, super close race. So here's my honest take: if you want just about any doctor anywhere and you love having massive plan choices through your job, Anthem is basically made for you. But if your top priority is saving money, switching up your coverage, or you care about wellness perks, Aetna is the move. Honestly, the overall edge today, I've got to hand it to Aetna, especially for their flexibility and value. If you're into these head-to-heads and want more insurance breakdowns without the jargon, go ahead and follow along. You might just find your next perfect plan. Catch you in the next video.